So absolutely, as per your knowledge, I too also agree that, when compared Java, C, C++, other programming language, Python is very easy understanding and remembering and all the aspects. Therefore, we have decided to learn the Python. That's one reason. Okay, let's go to the another reason, another feature. Portable. What do you mean by portable? Python is a portable language. What does it mean? Easy to carry. No, where you will carry the Python programming? See, these words are very important. Kindly understand. This portable word is very familiar to everybody. మనకందరికి తెలుసు portability అంటే ఏంటి. You will be switch from one network to another network. We will switch from one bank to another bank. That's called as a portability, right? Here in the programming language, you will be write a Python programming on Windows operating system, and it will be placed into Play Store. You are downloading in your mobile phone. Mobile phone operating system is Android, Mac, but basically you have developed the program software on top of the Windows operating system, Linux operating system, Ubuntu operating system, Solaris operating system. There may be a number of operating systems. The target mission speed is different, configuration is different, operating system is different, browser is different, n number of hardware software specifications are different when compared with the machine on which you have developed the software. Developing the program on one platform, run anywhere else is the concept is called as a portable concept. Does the Python provide? Absolutely it provides. Now you tell me, what do you mean by portability? One sentence I'm asking. See, it's very important, it's my bothering. I'm really bothering you guys. నేను ఇంత స్టోరీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత కూడా మీరు ఒక్క సెంటెన్స్ చెప్పలేదంటే చెప్పినోడికి నాకు క్లారిటీ లేదా, విన్నోడికి నీ క్లారిటీ లేదా, నాకు కావాలి కూడా. Am I clear? I'm asking correct question. You guys are purely English medium, top schools, top colleges. I came from a municipality school. I think I'm very confident enough what I'm talking about. Are you clear? Please take me as an inspiration. Such a guy, I'm in front of you standing and talking in a professional way, and I'm able to explain your high-level technologies. Are you clear? Please. ఏదన్నా విన్న తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు మనం చాట్ జీపీటీ ఎందుకు చేస్తున్నాము? ఒక పెద్ద పారాగ్రాఫ్ ని తీసి చాట్ జీపీటీకి ఇస్తే అది 2 సెంటెన్స్లు ఇస్తుంది. దాన్ని నువ్వే ఎందుకు అర్థం చేసుకోవట్లేదు? Are you clear? If you are a journalist, the politician will give a lot of speech in the meeting. But being a journalist, he will be create a summarized info out of this entire the conversation is given at a meeting. Are you clear? నేను ఇంత పెద్ద స్టోరీ చెప్పిన తర్వాత can you define what is the characteristic or feature of a portability of a Python? Tell me one sentence అంటే నువ్వు ఏం చెప్తావు చెప్పు నాకు. నో, ఈ కాలంలో పిల్లలకి ఇదే ప్రాబ్లం. మీరు బట్టి కొడతారా, నేర్చుకుంటారా, నాకు సంబంధం లేదు. రైట్ అ ప్రోగ్రామ్ ఆన్ వన్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్, రన్ ఎనీవేర్ ఎల్స్. నువ్వు బట్టి కొట్టాలి. నేను బట్టి కొట్టినానా, నేను నేర్చుకున్నానా, అది నీకు అర్థం చేసుకోవాలి నువ్వు. Are you clear? See, have you listened the junior NTR conversation in English? డ్యూరింగ్ RRR మూవీకి వాడికి అవార్డు వచ్చినప్పుడు ఇంగ్లీష్ స్పీచ్ విన్నారా? వాడు ఈ హైదరాబాద్లో పుట్టినాడు. హీరో అయినప్పుడు వాడిని చూడాలంటే మనకి చాలా చిరాకేసేది. ఇప్పుడు ఆయన ఎంతమందికి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ అంటే, ఈడ మనం తీసుకున్న 5-6 మందిలో వాడిని 90% ఆఫ్ ద పీపుల్ ఇష్టపడతారు ఎన్టీఆర్ని. ఎందుకు? ఈజ్ మల్టీ టాలెంటెడ్. Behavior, hard work, the way you talk, the way you respect, he's an ultimate guy. Real MC. ఎవరన్నా ఎన్టీఆర్ని నువ్వు ఇష్టపడకపోయినా పర్లేదు, అసహించుకునే క్వాలిటీస్ అయితే ఎన్టీఆర్లో లేవు. ఐఎమ్ నాట్ అ ఫ్యాన్ టు హిమ్. నేను అందరిని ఇష్టపడతాను, వెంకటేష్ని, హీరో ప్రభాస్ని, అందరు బాలకృష్ణ సినిమాలు ఘోరంగా చూస్తాను నేను. యూనో, ఎస్ సార్ నో. అది ఏంటంటే మన ఇష్టం అలా ఉంటుంది. అంటే ఒక మనిషిని యూనివర్సల్ గా యాక్సెప్ట్ చేయడానికి దెర్ ఆర్ సర్టన్ రీజన్స్, రైట్? కరెక్ట్. ప్లీజ్, ఐఎమ్ రిక్వెస్టింగ్ వెరీ పొలైట్లీ, విత్ హంబుల్ రిక్వెస్ట్, ప్లీజ్ ఫోకస్ ఆన్ యువర్ కమ్యూనికేషన్ ఆల్సో. ఎదుటి వాడికి, మౌనిక, నీకు పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు కదా? యా. ఎంత క్లాస్ పిల్లలు? ఓ గ్రేట్. థర్డ్ క్లాస్ అంటే మోస్ట్లీ నా పాప కూడా థర్డ్ క్లాస్. ఆమె వచ్చి ఒకరోజు, నిన్న రీసెంట్గా ఒక 1 month బ్యాక్, ఐ వాజ్ హోల్డింగ్ మౌస్. ఈ మౌస్ నేను వైర్లెస్ మౌస్ ఇంటికి కూడా తీసుకెళ్తా. షీఈస్ లెర్నింగ్ టర్మినాలజీస్ రిలేటెడ్ టు కంప్యూటర్ అట్ అ స్కూల్. She knows what is mouse, what is left side button, what is right side button, and what is a keyboard, how many functional keys are there. She used to tell me that this is the keyboard and it has many numerical values, these are special keys. And when she was holding mouse, she was telling me what would happen if I press right. No, she, మనం ఎట్లా ఆపరేట్ చేస్తాము, ఈ లెఫ్ట్ సైడ్ ఉన్న బటన్ కి మౌస్ లో ఆబ్వియస్లీ వీఆర్ గోయింగ్ టు బి పాయింటింగ్ ఫింగర్, కరెక్ట్? ఈ రైట్ సైడ్ ఏమో మిడిల్ ఫింగర్ యూజ్ చేస్తాం. షీ వాస్ టెల్లింగ్ మీ లైక్ దిస్. నో, అలా కాదు ఇలా అని అన్నా, షీఈస్ నాట్ లిస్నింగ్ మీ. మా టీచర్ అలానే చెప్తుంది అంటుంది. రియల్ యూనో. సో ఇప్పుడు నేను చెప్తున్నా, బీయింగ్ అ టీచర్, నేను ఏం చెప్తే మీరు అలానే చేయాలి, ఇఫ్ యూ రెస్పెక్ట్ మీ. ఎందుకంటే ఇది ఫోర్స్ అనుకో, రూల్ అనుకో, బికాస్ ఐఎమ్ ఆల్రెడీ హ్యాండ్స్ ఫ్రూట్ క్యాండిడేట్. మీలాంటి వాళ్ళకి నేను ఆల్మోస్ట్ 5 లక్షల మందిగా పైన ట్రైన్ చేసిన వాడిని. ఎంత మందిని చూసింటాను చూడండి. ఇది నేర్చుకోవడము, నేను చెప్పడము, ఇదంతా ఒకైతే, హౌ ఫార్ యు ఆర్ లెర్నింగ్ వెరీ క్యాజువలీ అండ్ వెరీ హ్యాపీలీ ఇస్ వెరీ ఇంపార్టెంట్. చదువు కష్టంగా ఏది నేర్చుకోవద్దు. నేను దాని గురించి ఏమైనా థియరీ కింద రాసుకున్నాను, జస్ట్ నేను పాయింట్ చూసి నేను దాని గురించి ఇంత మంచిగా ఎలాబరేట్ చేస్తున్నాను అంటే నాకు దాని మీద కంప్లీట్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఉంది. I can tell hundreds of examples why the Python is portable language. A language is said to be a portable. Write that particular program on one platform, run anywhere else. ఇంకొద్దిగా ఎలాబరేట్ చేయమంటే నేను చెప్పింది చెప్పాలి. నువ్వు విండోస్ ఆపరేటింగ్ సిస్టమ్ మీద పైథాన్ యూజ్ చేసి సాఫ్ట్వేర్ క్యాలిక్యులేటర్ అప్లై చేసి ఒక పర్టికులర్ ప్లే స్టోర్లో పెట్టేసి అక్కడ డౌన్లోడ్ చేసి నా మొబైల్ ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి అక్కడ కూడా వర్క్ అవుతుంది. దిస్ ఇస్ కాల్డ్ పోర్టబుల్ లాంగ్వేజెస్ అని చెప్పాలి. దేర్ ఎండ్స్ ద మ్యాటర్. Are you clear? Great. Scalable. What do you mean by scalability feature provided by Python? What do you mean by that? Generally, you tell me what do you mean by scalability? Do you have a scalability feature? Is table has a scalability feature? No, it is static. స్కేలబిలిటీ అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఈ టేబుల్ మీద ముగ్గురే కూర్చోగలం మనం, ఈ టేబుల్ మీద నలుగురు కూర్చోడానికి కుదరదు. స్కేలబిలిటీ అంటే ఎబిలిటీ టు ఎక్స్పాండ్. Software has that particular feature. Let's suppose the Google search engine have developed or built by the Python. For suppose at the morning 10 o'clock, 10 millions of the people are searching for something else through the Google. Can anyone suffer from the response time? అందరికీ విత్ ఇన్ 2-3 seconds లోపల ఆన్సర్ ఇస్తుంది. 10 millions అవ్వచ్చు, 100 millions అవ్వచ్చు. Are you clear? Which means depends on the number of users requesting for a particular documents to be retrieved. It is able to expand, able to give the answers as much as people are increasing. It is a scalable language. Am I clear? Great. Okay. Ecosystem of libraries. What does it mean? It's a robust language. Python is what? Reliable language. Python is a robust language. Python is having an ecosystem of libraries. What does it mean? There are a lot of built-in modules, packages have been already built into the Python. Just you call them, utilize them, get the output. Statistics, machine learning, deep learning, neural networks, NumPy, pandas, like Selenium, isn't it? Lot more built-in string handling functions, a lot of things are already built in. Utilize them, get the output, so that the size of the code will be getting reduced. Are you clear? That's called as it is a robust language. Lot of built-in packages, lakhs of the packages and modules are ready-made available within the Python. Just you know how to call them or how to utilize for your purpose for the application. Are you clear? Okay. Strong community support. What does it mean? Strong community means, is Python open source? Yes or no? Python is open source, right? What does it mean at an enterprise level, at a practitioner level? You need not to take any license from anybody else. Whereas the Java is licensed. See, Windows operating system is, if we buy a laptop, we are taking license. Earlier, an empty laptop can be taken, pirated version can also be installed on it. But MS Office is not a licensed. It will ask the key. Cracked version of the key we used to. Similarly, Java can be used for a free of cost or an academic. Are you clear? But some audit will come to your organization at a college level also. Windows operating systems, Java, all these college people need to take a license from the Sun Microsystem. Yes or no? Now the Sun Microsystem sold their product to the Oracle. Now Java is owned by Oracle. Are you clear? If you want to use at a company level Java programming, you have to take a permission, you have to pay crores of money to the Oracle people, you have to utilize it. But Python is not like that. RUSS, you resume. There is a man who have developed this particular Python, contributed to the world, you can utilize for whatever the purpose you can. Need not to pay any money for that. Are you clear? Now, strong community support means what? You are an expert, I am an expert, she is an expert. We are building many more built-in packages and trying to be accommodate as part of the Python such a way that the Python become very strong. Once upon a time, only one particular client was using Nokia. Google was using Python now. Slowly, Google have designed their own programming language such as a Golang. Have you heard? Golang programming language is Google's language. Now, Google also stopped using Python. Many other people are using it. Are you clear? So strong communities, there are many lakhs, crores of people are working in the area of the Python. They develop their own skilled programs and readily available in terms of packages, module. Therefore, we are enjoying them. Whatever the packages, modules are available built into the Python. Have you written? Somebody have written already. Community people who are strong or experts into a Python language. That is called as a strong community. They made Python as very popular. Python is very famous. Now everybody is using, yes or no? Because free of cost. Right. Cross-platform compatibility. What does it mean? Cross-platform compatibility. What do you mean by that? Have you heard? Can you correlate? See, there is a Linux operating system. There is a Windows operating system. There is a Google Chrome. There is a Edge. There is a Mozilla. Isn't it? There is a one application. There is a one other application. If you write a program, program can become a interface between different platforms. Are you clear? You know API? What does it mean? Can you full form? If you write a API with a Python as a web service, it can become an agent between two applications. Left-hand side one application is Linux based, other application is Raspberry related application or Android application. You రెండు communicate అవుతున్నాయా అంటే ఈ middleware technology is going to be a cross platform అంటే ఏంటి hybrid, business to business, consumer to business. This kind of communication is able to provide as an agent because of SOAP protocol, because of agentship, a lot of other middleware technologies where Python is also to act accordingly as a cross-platform compatibility is also be provided. Are you clear? ఈ కొద్దిగా మ్యాప్ చేయాలి, మీకు ఇమాజినేషన్ ఉండాలి, ఈ కీవర్డ్స్ ని మీరు డిఫైన్ చేయాలంటే. Are you clear? SOAP protocol. So SOAP protocol is a program basically that has been written with the help of Python as a middleware, as an agent. రెండు అప్లికేషన్ మధ్యలో SOAP protocol అనేది mediator. That itself will be written through the Python. Then it will provide a cross-platform compatibility. ఇప్పుడు క్లౌడ్ కి DBMS, MySQL వీటి మధ్యలో కమ్యూనికేషన్ జరగాలి. There will be API driver is required, right? అలాంటివి ఉంటాయి యాక్చువల్లీ. అక్కడ ఈ క్రాస్ ప్లాట్ఫామ్ కంపాటబిలిటీ పైథాన్ యూజెస్. It can be middleware, it can be web service, it can be an API. Yeah. Python is not only provides other features, but also it will be having graphical user interface designing also possible. Are you clear? There is a tkinter module. Tomorrow I'll start the tkinter module. There is a tkinter module. With which we can design buttons, we can design list boxes, radio buttons, labels, canvas, frames, everything can be possible. Icons, images, everything can be possible just like a HTML. HTML ని యూజ్ చేసి మనము వెబ్ అప్లికేషన్ డెవలప్ చేస్తాం. కానీ tkinter ని యూజ్ చేసి స్టాండ్ అలోన్ అప్లికేషన్, నోట్ ప్యాడ్, మీడియా ప్లేయర్ ఇవన్నీ tkinter తో యూజ్ చేసి డెవలప్ చేస్తాం. I'll show you tomorrow how exactly it will be. Yes, sir. Okay. Or else we'll do now after completion of this. Okay. Database designing is also be possible with the help of a Python. Python can be communicate or correlate with a databases such as MySQL, MongoDB, DB2, PostgreSQL, SQLite, AWS, Azure, ServiceNow, ThinkSpeak. It can be communicate with anyone with the help of a certain drivers have been already provided. Are you clear? Okay. Cloud support is also be possible with the help of a Python. It can communicate as usually without any conditions. Unconditional, it could be communicate with any cloud. There will be the drivers to communicate with. Garbage collection is the one of the feature. What does it mean? This keyword is also be provided by the Java also. When the developer will write a code, certain code will be useless code will be written by the developer sometimes. There will be pi is equal to 3.14 you have defined in the program. You are nowhere used. It will be a garbage, right? Such kind of keywords or such kind of identifiers will be identified by the garbage collector is a built-in software or built-in code which will be identified such kind of useless programs or useless identifiers, remove the memory which is allocated for that and return to the operating system. That job is done by the garbage collector. Are you clear? That's very important actually. We do such kind of mistakes while developing the program. Clear? That's all. So these are the features will be provided by the Python. Let's go ahead little. What are the job roles you are going to get if you learn full stack Python? Are you clear? See, after learning, see, you learned C, C++, Java. Did you get any roles? Did you get any specific jobs? But if you learn full stack Python, there are specific roles are made for specific roles. Yes or no? What roles they are? You can become a Python developer. You can become a web developer. You can become a DevOps engineer. You can become an automation engineer. You can become a data analyst. You can become a data scientist. You can become an ML engineer. You can become a AI engineer. These all roles can be fit if you learn Python perfectly. In which area you want it to be certified or expertise, that's up to you to become. But all these particular roles are directly, indirectly, 99% highly closely associated with the Python programming language. All these roles. What you want to become, that's up to you to become an expert in that area. Are you clear? Yeah. And obviously, various Python integrated development environments we have. Means tools. What are the tools you are going to use to work on to develop the software? IDE full form is integrated development environment. You must have already used in Java, Eclipse, NetBeans. There are some tools. Visual Studio, VS Code, many more. Hundreds of tools are there. Free versions are there, licensed also there. Let us show you now, what are the, if you go through this particular link, I'll give you this particular slide to you. You just refer them. If you go through this, you will find all the integrated development environments. Very few things, very few tools. You will be learn ideally PyCharm, Collab, Jupyter, Canopy, Thorny. Few tools I'm going to introduce in order to work with the Python. Are you clear? And how to install the Python, you can go through this particular thing so that you will be able to understand now, isn't it? Yeah, that's all about the theory. Let us go with the installations, all this, such a way that, we could be able to do the practice tomorrow's class, isn't it? Yeah, let us, if you have any questions till now, okay, so that, I will be going with the, time is now 11:30, right? Please quickly confirm everyone that have you installed PyCharm in your laptop? Ideally, everyone, right? What about you, Monica? You just installed them. Or else you can follow this particular video. Please, I request everyone, go through the YouTube channel. I already shown you yesterday or someone, you guys. If you wanted to know how to take an assistance related to installation about ideally PyCharm, all this, there will be, this is our channel. Almost so far, I just uploaded almost, 116 videos, out of which there will be playlist. I used to take, 4 technologies here. There will be a data science, there will be automation testing, there will be full stack Python, there will be a ML, AI ML, right? So you just go through this particular Python full stack. You will be find 27 videos over here. If you want to know, you see, Python ideally tools installations for the data science and automation. Just go through this. I explained to you how to install all the tools. So it will be redirecting to the first link that, just to follow this particular tool, Monica. You can install them. If you have any questions, you can ask them. You ask these guys already installed, isn't it? So I'll be give you this particular tool to you. I think there is a this will be your batch, right? Yes, great.